Last problem, a bookstore charges 10 pesos per book for orders 40 or fewer books. 7 pesos per book for orders 70 or fewer but more than 40 books. And 5 pesos per book for orders more than 70 books. Excuse me. What function best represents the problem? So obviously, piecewise pa din siya. And then, we have to identify the, tawag nito parang how much will they pay given this number of books, tapos given this condition. So, we let X be the number of books that they will order. So, let's say for the first statement, 10 pesos per book daw for orders 40 or fewer books. So, we have 10x wherein 10 pesos, tapos yung x is the number of books they will order if x daw is 40 or fewer books. So, ibig sabihin, pagka fewer, less than, dahil kasama yung 40 or fewer. So, ibig sabihin, kasama yung 40. X, if the number of books daw is less than or equal to 40. Ang babayaran nila ay 10 pesos per book. Next, 7 pesos daw per book if for orders 70 or fewer but more than 40 books. So, yung if, yung number of books mo daw ay more than 40, more than lang ang sabi. So, ibig sabihin, mas madami sa 40. Hindi kasama yung 40. Kasi pag kasama yung 40, more than and equal to yung dapat na term. Pero since sinabi lang ay more than 40, so yung kasama dun sa more than 40 is yung 41. Hindi kasama yung 40. Greater than 40 but less than, bakit less than? Kasi fewer than 70. So, less than 70. Kasama yung 70? Yes, kasi 70 or fewer. So, kasama yung 70. Okay po. Or, you can also write it as, or pwede din siyang isulat as, x is less than or equal to 70 but greater than 40. Pareho lang tong dalawa. And then, last one, last statement, 5 pesos daw per book if the number of books ay more than 70. Hindi kasama yung 70, walang equal to kasi ang sabi lang ay more than 70. So, this is the piecewise function that we're going to use or the piecewise function that represents the given problem. So, all you have to do is just analyze the problem word by word or kaya naman ay phrase by phrase. So, basta i-analyze mo lang siya. And then, let's say may question tayo na how much will they pay if they will buy 52 books, 35 books, and 100 books. So, if X is equal to 52 books daw, what function are we going to use? Is it the first one, the second one, or the third one? Ang sabi ay 52 books. So, nasaan yung 52 books? Is it less than 40? No. It's greater than 40 ba or less but less than 70? Yes. It's 52 is greater than 40 but less than 70. So, meaning to say, they have to pay 7 pesos per book. So, we will use 7 pesos x or 7 times x. So, 7 times, substituting the value of x as 52. So, you just multiply this two. Pwedeng gumamit ng calculator. So, 7 times 52, the answer is 364 pesos. So, they have to pay 364 pesos for 52 books. What if ang bibilhin lang nila ay x is equal to 35. So, if x is equal to 35, let's check the given piecewise function. Is 35 less than or equal to 40? Yes. So, meaning to say, we will use the first function, which is 10 pesos times the number of books. So, 10 times 35 The answer is 350. So they have to pay 350 for 35 books. Next, what if x is equal to 100? So if x daw is equal to 100, is 100 less than or equal to 40? No. Is 100 between 40 to 70? Hindi din. But 100 is greater than 70. So, nasasatisfy niya yung third condition. So, meaning to say, we have to use the third function, which is 5x. So, f of 100 is equal to 5x. Then, substituting, we will have 5 times 100. The answer is f of 100 is 500. That's it.